I got Primo Bobby Simmons grips in tan, and the Fiend team bars in 875 rise. I cut them to 27 wide, and the Fiend gear rail stem, and the Fiend integrated headset, and I got the Fiend embryo forks, and the front wheel is a Primo balance. It's the Primo 7 Series laced to a N4FL, and I got 2 Colt butters in the front, and the Colt D-Hard 2.4 tire. Alright, so I got a Federal Dan Lacey frame in 20.75 top tube, and I got the Primo Holobites, and the Primo bottom bracket, and the Bobby Simmons sprocket in 28 tooth, and a Colt half link, and I got the Fit bar stool with an old United seat post that I've had for like 5 years, and I got the Kink Scenic pedals, the ones with no bearings. And then move to the back, I got the other Primo balance wheel. It's the Remix laced to the 7 Series. And I got another Colt D-Hard in 2.4. And I got 1 Colt butter in the back, and a Fiend embryo, or it's called the Belmont peg. And I got the S&M symbol hub guard. And then I got dice valve caps. So yeah, that's the end of